to our live broadcast room. This is Jean. I'm from Esco Machine Tool Limited. Okay, today I will introduce you our aluminum foil container production line. This is our production line. You know, nowadays more and more countries pay attention to the environmental protection. They prohibit the plastic use because it's toxic and complicated. So aluminum foil container is the most popular food container in the world. It has a very good market. So today I want to introduce you our production line. Our production line is divided into semi-auto production line and full auto production line. Our semi-auto production line is only equipped with the feeding system and press machine. But our full auto production line add the stacker and the waste collector. You can see that big box is the waste collector. That will lower the labor cost a lot. Later I will tell you about that. Okay, now let's come here to the component. This one is the feeding system. The feeding system is special for aluminum foil sheet. You know that the aluminum foil sheet is very thin. It's very thin, so it needs a high precision in feeding. So our feeding system can achieve a very high precision, up to about 0.02 millimeters. Okay, now inside the groove you can see there's oil. It is food oil. It is used to lubricate the sheet. The function of the lubrication is to lower the feeding noise. Our machine even have no noise in working, and it can highly improve the efficiency of the feeding. Okay, now let's go inside. Now let's come to the control cabinet. You can see this is a control cabinet, and this is the control panel. I turn off the control panel and now turn on the control panel. Okay, it needs you need to wait about 5 seconds to wait it. Okay, and meantime we can see have a look at the control cabinet. Open the control cabinet, you can see the PLC and the relay. All these elements are well-known brand, Mitsubishi and Schneider. Our whole cabinet is produced in accordance with the European standard, so the quality is very good. Okay, now the system is open. Let's enter the page. You can set Chinese and English language. Let's enter the page. Here you can see the feed speed and the feed length, which the feeding system is working, and the production is not limited. It can feed unlimited length of the meat of the sheet. Okay, this system is this is the monitor. This is the monitor system. The monitor system helps you to find out the problem quickly once the feeding system breaks down, and so you can solve the problem quickly and recover feeding very quickly. Okay. Also here we have the set page. Okay, that's all. And the power and the emergency for safety. Okay, now here let's come here. Here we have two rods here. It is used to clean the oil on the sheet, so it can make the sheet more cleaner and more cleaner for food container. And downside, you can see there is a deduction sense. The function of this deduction sense is once the press machine stops working, and the deduction can sense the sheet, and it will transmit the signal to the PLC. The PLC will control the feeding system to stop feeding. It is very intelligent. Okay, now let's come to the feeder. Our feeder, you can see the feeder is equipped with this is used to adjust the width of the sheet, to fix the sheet. You can adjust the width according to your own requirements. And here we have a roll. We have a roll too. It's used to press down the sheet. It is pneumatic. It can fix the sheet. Okay, now let's open it. Yes, open and close it. Yes, it can well fix the sheet, prevent it from moving when working. Okay, down you can see our feeder. It can be have a lifting shim, which can adjust the height of the feeder, and also it can move forward and back. This is to adjust the height, make it ensure that the height is the same with the mold, and also control the distance with the mold. Okay, that's our feeding system. I think you are clear now. Now let's come to our BLA press machine. Look at our BLA press machine. You can see our press machine is equipped with the electric control cabinet, and it have a touch screen and a frequency converter. Later I will show you in details. You know, our production line have 25 tons, 45 tons, 63 tons, and 80 tons. So if you want to make a big container, you need to use a bigger production line, and the press machine is different according to your different production line. Okay, now let's go this side. Let's go to the back of the press machine. Here, this is the control cabinet, electric control cabinet, and you can see that it's double protection. Once you open the door, the electricity is cut, so it is very safe. And inside, you can see the relay is Schneider, and it is Delta PLC, and all the elements are well-known brand. All the whole cabinet is made in accordance with the European standard. And also the touch screen here is Delta brand. It can be used for many times. And outside you can see the frequency converter. That one is a frequency converter. It can adjust the speed of the work plate. It can adjust the working speed of the work plate. The main function of the changing speeding is to lower your electricity cost. It can lower about 30% of your electricity cost. Okay, in the back you can see there is a clutch. We equipped our machine with a clutch which can stop the machine at any position at any time to protect human safety. Okay, down you can see the lubrication system. Our lubrication system is also a well-known brand, Yishan brand. It is qualified and with certificate. The lubrication system is automatically. You don't need to fill in oil every time the machine needs oil. Just need to fill in one time, and then the lubrication system will work automatically according to your requirements. Okay, opposite side you can see this is our airline box, airline cabinet. Inside the airline cabinet you can see the airlines. Our airlines is qualified, and you can see the AirTag valve is famous brand. It is very important, and you can see these small parts are well plated, very good plated, anti-corrosion. Okay, on the door you can see there are many pressure indicator, so it is convenient for you to observe the pressure when the machine is working. And this door is anti-water, anti-fire, and anti-electricity. It's very safe. Okay, that's our press machine. So now let's go this side. Thank you. Okay, now let's go this side. I want to introduce you our stacker. Stacker is equipped with only when you choose the full auto production machine, production line. The stacker is very intelligent. It can select the container automatically and transform it to the table and stack down and stack by itself. And also the stacker is automatic, equipped with the control panel. Now let's open the control panel. Here you can choose Chinese and English and enter. Yeah, here you can set the lip setting and operation status. It can be choose the manual and auto mode. Normally we use auto mode. And third page you can set the speed, the time, and also very important function is the monitor system. You can check out the problem through this page. It is very quick for you to check out the problem. Okay, the very important function of this system is that you can count the. Okay, now here you can count the production. You can count the products that you have finished. I mean, it is easy for you to record the quantity of your products. And this one is two-reel stacker. We have one-reel stacker, two-reel stacker, three-reel stacker, and four-reel stacker. According to your. Okay, downside you can see the control cabinet. Open the control cabinet. You can see all the elements, all the components. The Mitsubishi brand, Delta brand, Schneider brand, I think you know all this brand. They are very famous. The whole cabinet is qualified and made according with the European standard. Okay. And here is a airline box. And this is a pressure indicator. We have pressure indicator anywhere for you to convenient observe the pressure, working pressure. Okay, the last one is our waste collector. We have automatically waste collector. It can greatly lower your labor cost to collect the waste. And the most important is that you can collect the waste and then you can sell the waste. In many countries, the waste is very expensive. The price is very high, so it can bring a lot of profit for your factory. And also, you can equip the production line with a baler, which can press the waste and press it into a block. So it is very easy to carry, to ship. Okay, that's all our production line. Now let's come here. You can see our mold. Our mold is made of SCP-11 material, and it is heat treatment and polished 3 times, so that the quality of the mold and long service time. You can see the surface is very smooth. It can be used for a long time. Our mold has 1 cavity, 2 cavities, 3 cavities, and 4 cavities. It can be designed according to our client's requirements. Okay, now this is a light curtain. You can see the light curtain. It can keep the shape of our worker. If you put your hand in, the machine will cut down because the light curtain can save your body. Okay, next I will ask our engineer to operate the machine. Show you the operation. Okay, you can see that this is very easy to operate the machine. You only production line is very intelligent. Only one person can operate the whole production line. No need to extra labor to collect the container. No need extra labor to collect the waste. So it can lower a lot of your labor cost. Okay, that's all our production line. And at last, I want to talk about the market of the aluminum foil container. You know, many companies are paying attention to the environmental protection, and they prohibited the plastic use. So they choose aluminum foil container to carry food. It has a lot of advantages. It is more safe. It can be heated. It is without toxic. A lot of advantages. So it is the trend of the world to use aluminum foil container. It has a very good market in future, and you can do good business in this market. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Bye bye.